Welcome to Walmart. I'm sharing with you brand new designer finds on a Dollar Tree budget. He is selling out everywhere. I think he is so cute.
Today's video is brought to you by Rakuten. Get cash back free. We're starting off strong with spring items. Nothing is over $25 each. This cute topiary bunny was $17, but my favorite was the hydrangea bunny. I can't wait to share with you how I use him.
At Pottery Barn and Ballard Designs, you can find giant bunnies, but they are at least 3 times as expensive.
When I mimic designers, I want the lines and shapes to be similar to the high-end look. Keep your eyes peeled for this ceramic bunny that is almost identical to Pottery Barn's. And these $9.97 bow-shaped pillows are so similar to Pottery Barn too. I was shocked this year walking through the store how incredible these finds were. Lots of items were just $5 and Easter grass is 57 cents.
This is like a bunny garland. Woo! Very fun.
These gorgeous bunnies were just $10.97 each, but if you want a Pottery Barn style, like these rustic egg cloches, you can find these at Walmart for less than $7. They also glow and are battery operated. I love seeing all the finds in that $5 to $7 price point, some of the sweet bows, but I especially gravitated to these tulips for $3.78. That puts them at about $1 a piece. I thrifted this big urn and I took some florals I already had. I set the hydrangea bunny inside along with some of the flowers. This entire display was just $35 with thrifted and items that I had, perfect for a porch. And speaking of a porch,
you want a Pottery Barn doormat? These are sailors, not doormats. And what I love about the Walmart ones is because these are made of rope, you can really easily hose these down and clean them quickly. This is a beautiful find. Pottery Barn is known for beautiful Easter baskets, but they are expensive, like $50 each. This year, Walmart has some super gorgeous finds. All of them are less than $15, but my personal favorite is very affordable. It's this guy right here. And what I love is lots of these are big enough that you could put flowers inside so they don't just have to be for kids' Easter. I love a hyacinth. I think they're so beautiful and they come in these little pots from Walmart for $9.97, but we're gonna take this inside. I've got a hack for you, come here.
Line the inside of your basket with a drainage tray and you can set flowers inside. These are so great on a front porch, unexpected and sweet. And don't miss Walmart's cross-stitch pillows. These are reading so high-end. When I say these are like $100 in other stores, I'm not kidding. They're from the Drew Barrymore line with a really pretty velvety backing, and I am totally taking you inside with lots of indoor DIYs. But first, I've got to show you a little makeover.
We're actually in the process of a home renovation.
If I share something with you in a video, it's because I'm actually going to use it. This is our backyard before. Before we started any projects, we had to dig up some trees, we had lots of standing water, and we wanted to redo this space for this summer. And we started construction over the past couple of weeks, putting in pavers and a covered porch. I can't wait to share with you how all of this turns out. And if you're loving these Walmart designer finds, there's actually a step 2 to this strategy. So Walmart actually owns Sam's Club. So you can sometimes get even bigger pieces, furniture, patio, outdoor decor at crazy good prices with all the same designer dupes. I was eyeing these front gate chase lounges. Sam's Club has them for $200. And I know what you're thinking. You don't have a Sam's Club membership. I'm going to show you how to get one crazy cheap.
Because I use Rakuten Cashback, which is the sponsor of today's video.
Get paid for shopping you were doing anyway. Sign up for Rakuten. It's totally free. Link below. Then click on Groupon, which will give you 4% cash back. Once you're in Groupon, you're going to select Sam's Club, which is marked down to $20 for a year membership. Plus, you get cash back on top of that price. So that way, for less than $20 a year, I can access Sam's Club. And I can shop Sam's Club through Rakuten. I usually just shop there online anyway. Here is my front gate patio dupe.
You can put Rakuten as an extension on your browser. So every time you're shopping on your computer, it will pop up and remind you to get your cash back. Live right now, you get double cash back on so many of your favorite stores. Tomorrow only, there is an 18% cash back on Columbia Outerwear, which is one of our favorites. And Booking.com, if you have any vacations, travel, Groupon, dining out experiences, like if you are not using Rakuten, you are leaving money on the table. This is like so good. If you are a brand new user, you get a $50 welcome bonus once you spend $50 in qualifying purchases. The link will be down below. Be sure to check it out. Or if you already use Rakuten, remember to use it. Maybe you downloaded it from the last video but haven't made a qualifying purchase yet. Now, my friend, is your time to shine.
If there's a deal that Walmart has, I'm going to find it. I'm gonna do it. I can't wait to share with you this mini set as we put together our back patio. Now let's head back to Walmart.
We have designer, we have dupes.
One of Walmart's most affordable finds this year are their urns, especially the vintage style ones. It looks like these have a natural lime wash. These are flying off shelves, lots of them less than 15 bucks.
Also, if you're a fan of Mackenzie Childs, this is a dupe for Mackenzie Childs and a very good price compared to estimated retail.
These styles are trending everywhere, and to see them at Walmart was really cool. I'd love to know if you picked up any. There is a whole section of Walmart this year that looks just like restoration hardware. These are near direct dupes. Hang tight because one of my favorite is upcoming. But first, I want to share with you a less than $3 DIY you can do at Walmart right now. If you love blue and white as much as me, pick up some of these scalloped blue and white napkins. Separate carefully the two plies, and then you want to take some candles. I'm using flameless LED candles. These have a waxy surface on them, so I cut down my napkin to fit, and then I took a piece of wax paper and my mini iron, and using a wax paper over the napkin, I ironed the napkin onto the side. I trimmed off the edges, and look how beautiful these candles look. I already had these on hand. I had to put another display together for you. These candles and the gorgeous hydrangea bunny, as well as one of these baskets, you can really do so much, make it designer and also affordable. All these ideas have been floating around TikTok since last year, and I kept having it in a folder to make, but I just never got around to it. I finally did it on some of these taper candles too. Now, you definitely don't want to light these. You want to use LEDs or just use them for display, but I think these turned out so beautiful too. And when it comes to lighting candles,
It's the Better Homes and Gardens brand. Now, this is still the discount brand, but the smell of these with the wooden lids is absolutely divine. Like, oh, y'all, I want to eat this. This is lavender and lemonade. Kathryn's personal favorite, if you wanted to know. Oh, it's so good.
I gotta be honest though, I liked a lot, but not all.
That one's good. Ooh, no. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good too. That smells good. This one's good. No, sir. This is good. Oh, that doesn't have any smell. Well, I'm just gonna stick with the one.
And if you're one of my frugal sisters, you're gonna really love this next one.
Need an affordable gallery wall? For less than $5, you can get these My Texas house frames. These are very quality, and what I love about them is they have a little bow on top. These are super easy to hang. I've got a gallery wall going in my house. It's super vintage, lots of thrifted finds. I'd love to know what you have.
I've been doing YouTube a long time, and my style has changed a lot, but I like collecting things affordably that make me happy when I walk in a room. This is my wall of fun.
They also have larger frames. I was really impressed with these. Again, these are already cohesive with the gallery wall, and I love this. Stripes and ticking stripes are so in right now. This is gorgeous. This one's beautiful. I like all the movement in this. I love these cordless wall sconces. Now, this is a dupe for higher end products that are at least $100. And this has really great reviews. You are not gonna find a cheaper price than this. These lamps are absolutely beautiful. This is such a trending style of shade as well. Love.
I've been really happy to see for at least a year, Walmart has kept a lot of the same products. It's like they're bringing staples that are meant to last into the store that are affordably priced. And I think that's pretty cool.
Designers love to come to Walmart for some of these smaller finds. I really like this little tic-tac-toe. This is so pretty. And this is $11.86. They have these decorative marble arches, really nice for texture.
Quality and elegant organization can be found affordably at Walmart, and their throws cannot be beat. These are right around $18 each and so soft. And they're dishware.
These dishes are absolutely beautiful, and they're all under $10. I love how we could mix and match plates like this, stack them up, so pretty. Kathy and I keep saying that all this looks like is a squished coffee filter. Like, do you like this? Would you buy it? Or does it look like, how is it reading? Is this coffee filter? I think so. This is an amazing find at Walmart. This is less than $50 and a $200 Pottery Barn dupe. This has a marble top. This is so elegant and a great Walmart find.
This is an actual marble table for $49 with a wood base. I think this is truly the most designer piece that I found. I had to bring this one home. This one is staying. I have been loving it.
World Market sells a similar arch bookcase for $385. Not today. This Walmart bookcase is $182. It has great reviews and I think is really pretty.
Designer look on a small price point, whether it's Walmart or Sam's Club. Hey, I promised you I would share with you how these Chase chairs turned out. I love that we did not have to assemble them. The quality is unmatched on these. They are so beautiful. now. I'm really excited to share with you what we end up doing there and more of this renovation, all on a budget, and how I save on the big stuff and actually keep it quality. I love having an oasis, somewhere that I can sit and enjoy, read a book. My price point for plants is about $10 a piece. So this area is coming together. To the left of these chairs, we are going to be putting a hot tub. So when I completely redo this space, I will share all of it with you. I would love to know which of these simple ideas is your favorite. And don't forget to sign up for Rakuten. So many of you tell me all the time how much you love it. I truly love it too. Get your $50 welcome bonus. Get that Sam's Club membership and take advantage of triple cash back. Free money sitting on the table. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.